guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with Vera. Remember in our last video we talked about 10 valuable tips that can help improve your English pronunciation and speaking skills. And in the list we mentioned, the first was for you to familiarize yourself with the phonetic alphabet, which brings us to our topic for today: short vowel sounds using the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. Mastering vowel sounds will greatly enhance your English pronunciation skills. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your pronunciation or an advanced learner looking for refinement, this video is for you. Let's get started. Short vowels are characterized by their brief duration and are found in many common English words. We will explore the 5 main short vowel sounds in English and their corresponding IPA symbols. That's the International Phonetic Alphabet, right? Our first vowel sound is A. A. Now, practice producing this sound by opening your mouth slightly and keeping your tongue low and relaxed. Let's go again. A. 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 Okay. A as in cat, cap, fat, hat. All right, let's now make a sentence. The cat sat on the mat next to the man. The cat sat on the mat next to the man. Our next sound is A. A. This time around, pay attention to the position of your tongue and the movement of your lips. A. A. A as in red, egg, hen, fell. Okay, a sentence with this. The red pen fell on the desk. The red pen fell on the desk. Moving on, we have the E sound. The short E, not the long E. Okay, so E. So by producing this sound, you need to keep your tongue relaxed and slightly forward your mouth when producing the sound. So let's go again. E. E as in sit, heat, eat. Let's look at a sentence. I win and pin. I dip and sip. It's all about practice and nothing else. If you practice this regularly, it'll be very easy for you. Now, let's move on to the next sound. O. O. This time around, round your lips slightly as you produce this sound to achieve the correct pronunciation. O. O. O as in hot, pot, got. Okay, let's make a sentence with this word. The pot is boiling. The pot is boiling. Lastly, we will cover the short vowel sound O. O. This time around, practice positioning your tongue in the middle of your mouth and your lips relaxed for this sound. Let's go again. O. O. O as in cup, fun, cut, butter. Example, the hop is much fun. The hop is much fun. All right, let's round up by repeating the sounds. A. A as in cat, fat, mat, hat. A as in red, bed, fell, desk. E as in eat, hip, heat, lip, sheep. or as in hot, pot, top, dog. Ooh as in butt, cup, butter, fun, cut. Congratulations, you've completed my lesson on short vowel sounds in the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. By mastering these sounds, you're one step close to completing clear and confident English pronunciations. The secret is for you to keep practicing and remember to incorporate these vowel sounds into your everyday speech. Stay tuned for more pronunciation tips and lessons. And if you haven't subscribed, remember to click the subscription button and also like, share, and comment how helpful this will be to you. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Bye bye.